We have 900 to 1000 daily profit.
Здравейте отново от мен, Цветан Радушев, приятели. В днешното видео ще поговорим за Амазон и не само ще поговорим, ами ще се чуем с менеджера от Индия, който ще ви разкаже малко повече за дропшипинг бизнеса в Амазон, за това как ние управляваме нашите магазини, колко пари печелим, как точно се случват нещата, как търсим продукти с tactical арбитраж и по-нататък в видеята, които ще кача в английския канал, ще ви покажа и как работи Helium 10, как работят туловете на Helium 10 и как вие можете да започнете свой собствен бизнес с дропшипинг в Амазон или с FBA в Амазон, но за тези неща ще поговорим по-нататък. Преди обаче да минем към разговора с моят колега, така да го нарека, тъй като той в началото започна като работник, после стана менеджер, след това нае хора. В момента ми е по-скоро като приятел и колега, отколкото точно като работник. Затова го приемам доста близко. Той управлява целият бизнес в Амазон, целият бизнес в eBay. От доста време насам аз не съм споделял, че имам дропшипинг в Амазон, тъй като смятам, че това е един от бизнесите, които съвсем скоро ще залезе и от доста време насам чувам хората как казват ми този бизнес се отива. Да, но както се отива, така за последните няколко месеца той генерира доста добри приходи, както ще разберете по-късно в видеото. Ако имате някакви въпроси, задавайте ги отдолу. Ще се постарая за в бъдеще да отговарям в моя канал на тях. Ако искате да последвате канала на английски, който те първа ще започна да развивам, можете да използвате първият линк от описанието в това видео. Материала, който ще запиша, ще бъде на английски език и ще сложим субтитри най-вероятно, т.е. гледайки това видео най-вероятно ще има и субтитри, но все пак да кажа за хората, които не знаят английски и не разбират английски, още повече когато слушат индийци или пък хора като мен, които не са с добър английски език, говорим, за да го кажа, трябва да имате умения, за да можете да продавате. Най-малкото да разбирате какво ви се казва и да можете да кажете това, което мислите. Не е важно толкова колко добре знаем езика, колкото какво имаме да кажем на него и все пак ако ние не знаем език на ниво да го разбираме, да пишем свободно, да четем, да говорим, да разбираме какво говорят хората, няма как да създадем успешен онлайн бизнес на американския пазар. В това, ако не сте убедени, ще се убедите след време. Ако това видео ви харесва, искам да ви напомня да ударите палец нагоре, да се абонирате за канала ми или пък да ударите камбанката, за да получавате известия и за следващите ми видеа. Приятно гледане!
Sam, can you show me the office that you have right now?
Yeah, it's my pleasure to show you. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me just revert my camera. See, all three people are working.
Okay. Okay. How much people work here?
I think today is 10, but there are more people who are working for you actually.
Yes, some of them work for my client and for your
Yes.
client. Can you share some of your experience? How long you start with the business? How you meet me for the first time? Tell me something.
I think we have started our journey maybe 3 years ago,
Yeah.
and then you
Yeah.
helped me to, and then you helped me to learn how to work. Then we started some partnership business. Also, you give me some clients, and see, today I am with you again.
You didn't remember around 4 years ago. Remember, Marianne?
Yes, I can't exactly remember the day, but yeah, we are working together since long.
Okay, I need to close here because I can't speak using my phone and to share everything that you want.
Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Okay, this is one of like slowest accounts because it has earlier some problems, but however we are trying to recover these problems, and as you can see that this account has today $518 sales, and you can see that here is the total balance 3,699.
Okay. Share a little bit more information about the business. What's the model that we use now? What's the markets that we use now? What's the websites that we get the items? Yeah, let's start from this part.
Okay, so basically we are doing dropship on USA market. We are doing dropship from other retail website like Walmart, Home Depot, Costco, and some others wholesale, retail website.
Okay.
About product, if you want to do the dropship, then you need to select your product very carefully because you know that some product has a brand restriction and some product has sale permission. So we have some parameters in our hand so that we can choose the product which are going to be sale in next few days. Our basic criteria is product below 300k, okay, and we've always took the product from grocery sectors because we believe that in grocery sectors there are a lot of sales because they are daily need products, and we are not taking the products like garments because maybe you have a lot of return on those products, because if people don't like this they will open a return request, so it will be more hard to handle those things. We are basically focusing on the products which are daily needs, like some home and kitchen to.
Okay, share to my customers what markets we use, and share how you find the item. Just show us the process of the find the item. Open some of the supplier websites and share us. Also, give me some information about how much stores you manage for me right now and everything else. Just I want to hear this from you.
Okay, right now I'm handling 5 stores, and there are more on the way actually. 10 or 15 stores going to be at in 1 week or maybe in 2 weeks.
Okay. Also, in the future, we will share with you our FBA stores. But for now, I suggest to share only the dropshipping stores, because people say that dropshipping don't work very well last year. They are right, actually, but
No, I think the statistic is not bad right now.
I mean that it's not working like before.
Yeah,
A few
maybe.
years ago, it was much more easy to work.
Yes, but now it's difficult. But yes, there is still money.
We still have $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 per day sales from dropshipping business. But I want to show how you research the items, not the table with already researched. Just don't share that information.
No. I just open one product so that you can understand me what is the good item and what is the bad. As you can see that we have list of data, and we don't know which one is good or which one is bad. Let me first open the product, if we can sell or not. Okay.
Okay.
First we took the SIN, and we will check if it's sellable or not. Okay, see, there is a lot of ASIN number. Okay, first we need to take a look that either it's sellable or not. Okay, if I put the SIN here, you can see that there is a option that we can sell it on new. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Yep.
and as you can see that apply to sell, because we can't sell this product, we need to apply for this product, so that means it's a bad product. Okay.
Okay, just the category is looked for us. This is what you mean.
Yes.
Okay, but try to be more detailed, because most of the people see this type of business for first time. I'm sure that in my country nobody shared this with the people, and I do my best to show them that dropshipping in Amazon still exists.
Okay, see, in this category, as you can see that there is also 4 options: used, collectible, refurbished, and new.
This depends from the account. I have big accounts with a huge amount of unlooked categories. In this way, in exactly this account is not very well, because this account is pretty new and the categories are locked and we can't list most of the items.
Yes, that's why I'm showing this account.
But now you do the half of the work. You didn't show us how you find this table of the products.
Okay.
Is it possible to share a little bit more information? How you find this type of the products that are inside the table? Just find one product, man, from Walmart or Home Depot.
See, we are using one software called Tactical Arbitrage.
Yeah, now we use Tactical Arbitrage. Yes. In the past, we was using another softwares. I also use very often Helium 10. They are pretty similar to Jungle Scout. It's a lot of softwares that can do the same work.
Okay, see, here is 2 options. As you can, that product research and this is the reverse research search. Okay, let's do the product research.
Okay.
So first we need to click on product research. Then you need to choose the market where you want to source and where you want to sell. We are selling on US market, so always the sourcing will be USA and the selling on Amazon.com, right? And then
this is the general setting that you can do from the settings.
you have a lot of website here. Can you see here?
Yeah.
They are all retail website in USA. So let's assume I want to find product from Walmart. Okay. So
Okay.
I will, and here as you can see that there are a lot of categories. We need to select some category which we are interested, or maybe we can select all 500. Let's select, then add to bar, and then you can put your search name. Also there are a few other settings. Let me show you. See, here is the filter. Remove third-party sellers from results. We set it no. Remove oversized products. We says no because if the item size is bigger, then it will be more shipping cost and the return will be more complicated than a small product, right? Small size product. Okay. Then remove out of stock product from supplier side. We put it yes. Remove if Amazon contains no weight or data size. If some product has no data like weight, size, model, then we are not going to take those products. So we put no. And then another option is remove if Amazon is also seller. Okay, that means if Amazon selling this same product, so we are not going to take this product. So those are the general settings. You can play with it and see. We just put a general things like we put cost to per standard product is 5.99. You need to decide yours, then and you can see that profit and return of investment. We put it here 5, and here as a percentage return of investment we put 16%. Okay, so here all settings are done, and then again I go up. Let's put it my name here, Sam. Okay, then just click over search. See, here is the search process is going on.
So you wait to receive the results from the software. That's it.
Yes, but
after that you move them to the table and you start searching the way that you show.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, that's enough. I don't want to share all our business in one video. Can you show me some of the other stores?
Yes, of course. See, there is
okay, this store is with $400 today.
Yes.
We have 12 orders. We have 7% buy box. This means that the store works very well right now. And we sell in USA. Okay, tell to the people what's the profit today from this store.
Actually, basically we have 15 to 16% net profit, and sometimes it could be 30%.
Then from store like that, we can make around $1,000 per month.
No, actually you can make a bit more, like 2,500 or maybe 3,000.
I know, but you say 16% and everybody will calculate it like that.
No. Actually, this store has not enough product actually.
Yeah, I know. How much products we list in that store exactly?
See, as you can see that we have not enhanced this product because he has 907 items inactive. Okay. If you have a lot of inactive item in your stores, then Amazon like decrease your traffic.
What you mean by inactive? Tell me more about the inactive items in the Amazon.
Okay, inactive means the products which are out of stock. Inactive means like suppressed. There are not enough description. Inactive means the product has pricing error. Okay.
How you can make some inactive items to the active one? Tell to our people that watch the channel why we do the manual out of stock and in stock, why we don't use any software.
Okay, be honest, we are quite afraid that if we use any inventory tracking software or repricer, something like that, maybe account get blocked. So that's why we are trying to do manual way. So in that way, maybe we can survive more time.
Okay, my question here is how much time take you to manage one store like this, one store with 1,000 items?
It will took me like 6 to 7 hours to fulfill the orders, do the customer support, and checking the product
How often you check the in stock of the products?
every day.
Then one people from your office work for one store in Amazon. Okay, just I want to explain this to the people because now I see a lot of gurus in the internet that gurus says, oh, it's very easy to start, it's Amazon automation. They say to the people that they do everything automatically. Just click, 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 and you receive tons of money. Tell me now, you work around 10 people full time. Tell me, only from dropshipping Amazon, only from my stores, what's the average daily sales amount? Sales, not profit, only the sales.
6 to 8,000.
$6,000 to $8,000.
Yeah.
Do you know, because I didn't calculate that last month, exactly what's the daily profit from that 6 to 8?
Okay, just give me a moment. I can tell you that.
Okay.
Minimum the profit will be 1,300. Then need to deduct some amount. Like sometimes we forgot to get refund from supplier side, but we do the refund to the buyer from our account. So let's assume we have 900 to 1,000 daily profit.
This is enough for me. Thank you very much for this interview. I'm very happy that you agreed to show the business with me. I will put the link below to tactical arbitrage software if somebody want to use it. If want to support you, because I will put your referral link. I will put also the link about the free course, how to sell in eBay. We still didn't have any course in Amazon, and I will put the link for Helium 10, the best education for fulfilled by Amazon services. In future, we will show our stores in FBA. They work pretty well. Okay, thank you very much for that interview, and just see you later. Bye for now.
Okay, bye bye.